Racing just is started. We have Gobelis. Break quickly at a start. Esquizay is done on the inside. Chance and the Ordan next online now is landed Bisala Monayan. Second last while Bonjour is the early trailer by about 10 lengths of the leader. And as they swing down the back, we have Gobelis by about 3 lengths. Esquizay in second. And in third comes Chance and the Orala Monayan. Now moving up to take fourth. Landed Bisa and a long way back to Bonjour, who's still running at the tail of the field. Inside the tres octavo, we have Gobelis maintaining a 4 lengths lead. Esquizay is down on the inside. Chance and the Orisori outside. Alamonayan remains in fourth. Down on the inside is Landed Bisa, while Bonjour is still running at the tail of the field. And they are now entering the home stretch. We have 3 runners fighting around for the lead. Chance and Dior takes command. Exquisite is down on the inside. Then here comes Landed Bisa. Alamonayan down on the inside is Gobelis. Bonjour. Last 100 meters we have Chance and Dior now by about 2 lengths, followed by Alamonayan. And finally it's going to be Chance and Dior. Alamonayan, Landed Bisa, Esquizay, Bonjour and Gobelis.
Alright. Pang ilang llamado to? Third choice? Fourth choice?
Well, see, tercera llamadong